In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on Backup Company. Whenever you do this, you want to click on Create Local Backup, and then from here, you'll basically have to select whichever one you want. I'm going to do Local Backup over here, and then you want to click on Next. Now, whenever you do this, you basically have to select where you want to save this. So I'm going to go to Browse, and I'm going to actually go into, for example, Downloads over here, and I'm just going to save it in here inside my downloads. Now I'm going to click on OK, and then whenever you do this, you can of course select different options over here. So there's a bunch of check marks you can do. You can limit the number of backup copies in this folder. You can add the date and time of the backup to the file name, etc. There's a bunch of things you can do, and then you can just select whichever option here you want. Complete verification is the most recommended one, so select that, and of course you can select other ones as well if you wanna. I'm gonna click on OK, and then over here, as you can see right now, it says that it's saved on a safe drive that holds the company file, and this is not recommended. So if you want to actually do that, you have to click on use this location. But if you want to change it, you can change the location over here. I'm just going to click on use this location, and then whenever you're done, you can just click on the finish whenever it says save now, and that's basically going to back up your QuickBooks Desktop company. So if I click on finish right now, there we go, it's going to back it up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.